In this video, we'll be doing a problem that requires the use of the sum and difference identities for sine and tangent. Our problem is, suppose that A and B are angles in standard position with the cosine of A equal to a negative 7/25, and angle A is between pi and 3 pi/2. And sine of B is equal to a negative 3/5, and angle B is between 3 pi/2 and 2 pi. We're asked to find first the sine of the difference, A minus B. Then we're asked to find the tangent of the difference, A minus B. And then to find what quadrant that A minus B is in. So let's first make a diagram with this given information. A is between pi and 3 pi/2, which means that this is pi and this is 3 pi/2. So angle A is in quadrant 3. And the cosine is negative 7/25. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the adjacent side is negative 7. And the hypotenuse is 25. Then angle B is between 3 pi/2 and 2 pi. So here's 3 pi/2, here's 2 pi. So angle B is in quadrant 4. And the sine of B is negative 3/5. So that means the opposite side is negative 3. And the hypotenuse is 5. Alright, we can do Pythagorean theorem if you need to find this side over here. It is a negative 24. And this one is also a triple, 3, 4, 5. So this side measures 4. Now we should have enough information to go ahead and do these. Let's start with A. Sine of A minus B, we know from our difference identity, is the sine of A cosine of B minus cosine of A sine of B. So we'll use our triangles. We need the sine of A. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So that'll be a negative 24/25. Times, and then the cosine of B, that's adjacent over hypotenuse. So that would be 4/5. Minus, and then I need the cosine of A, so that'll be negative 7/25 times the sine of B is opposite over hypotenuse, so negative 3/5. When we do this multiplication here, we get a negative 96/125. And then we have 3 minus signs, so that'll be minus. And then this product is 21/125. All right, when we combine these two numbers, we get a negative 117 over 125. Now part B asks us to find the tangent of A minus B. So that is the tangent of A minus the tangent of B over 1 plus the product of the tangents, tangent A, tangent B. So A the tangent is opposite over adjacent, so we have a negative 24 over negative 7 minus, and then we need the tangent of B, so opposite over adjacent, that's a negative 3 over 4. And then in the denominator, we have 1 plus the product of these two, so negative 24 over negative 7 multiplied by a negative 3/4. This is a positive fraction, so 24/7, and then minus minus, I can make that plus 3/4. 1, this is positive, negative, so that's a minus. And then the product here is 72 over 28. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 28. So 96 plus 21 over 28 minus 72. So this numerator is 117, and the denominator is a negative 40. And then the last thing we want to find is the quadrant for A minus B. Let me put that over here. My sign is negative in these two quadrants, and my tangent is negative in these two quadrants. So the quadrant that takes care of both of these requirements is this one. So my answer for part C, the quadrant, is going to be quadrant 4.